Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use your straps in case of a motion controlled game possibility or something else. And of course, how to use the mouse control. Because the straps are a really good addition to your mouse control setting of your Joy-Con 2. Why? Because there are gliders on it. That's much smoother than without them. But first, how we use these straps here. We have a blue strap and an orange strap. That means you can perform then for the orange Joy-Con on the right side and the blue for the left side. Okay, let's try this in the opposite way. You see, that's possible too, of course, because they are built as the same. Yeah? Okay, only for information. Then we see that is a Joy-Con 2 here. The Joy-Con 2 has an colored area, and there is a plus and of course a minus. And you see on the straps there is a plus and a minus section. That means if we are now take the Joy-Con 2 controller and look at the minus area and the minus area on the strap is on the right area, we can snap them together. But it is a good advice that on the bottom side of it, there is a little nipsey. There is a little ball. And this ball, we can penetrate into Joy-Con 2 controller over there. Let this there. And if we are stayed there, it is only a small way to dock. Here we are. We get them docked into position. Job's done now. And then we have here a glider and we have the strap function. We can go with our hand into it, push that button, and then we have it. That means if we now in the motion way and we lost them because of so much fun, it will be not dropped to the wall or to the bottom or smash into the wall or something else. To come out, push the button again and let your fingers come out of it. To remove that strap from the machine, we have on the back side of the controller a button, and then we can remove this. You see, that is the release bolt which comes out. And so we can use them. Then the next step is, of course, we go and use the mouse control. The Joy-Con 2 controller support mouse control. Let's try this now, yeah? First step is we go and take our mouse or Joy-Con 2 mouse controlled area. That means we're going to lift it over there on the table and let it over there, and then we can use the mouse control. Here you can see this is the mouse button. Yeah, the mouse arrow. You can perform this with the other side as the same. You know, you see it on the left side. If we go to make this again, the mouse control does not longer use, okay? But you see it works like that, yeah? You hear it? And I can navigate through the menus, and I can go with the button to navigate and to choose something. I can push on the R button or on the L button on the other side to switch between the menus, for example. That's easy, huh? But it's much more comfortable to get this now in position here. Plus to plus, bolt to bolt, dock it into it. Job's done. And then we can much better gliding. You hear it? Really cool. That's really cool and easy to navigate and use your mouse control in combination with your straps. And it's not possible to get the straps installed on the opposite way. You can see there's no possibility. It's only matches in one direction, and it's only be possible to get them on the right direction side. Really easy. That's the good upgrade for the Nintendo Switch 2 because of the mouse control. That's a cool feature in menu operation in games as well. You can now display the cursor. We set the Joy-Con 2 on the table on a flat surface and move it easy peasy, as you can see. And of course, we move the cursor then around, and we can use the mouse control on the home menu and in compatible software with it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun.